I have 3 spring themed custom planner spreads coming your way. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com. Today I have 3 new custom planner spreads. First one is going to be for Rhonda. She requested a party time / Bridgerton theme, which I love. I'm here for that. Then comes Sweet Janet, who said I could pick whatever theme I want, and I've been anxious to play more with these new sticker books from Plannything. They are all about spring, summer fun, and I'm excited to dig into. Look at those for reals. I love them. So I'm so excited to dig into those. And then we have Barbe, who requested spring flowers. And so I've pulled out a couple of Live Love Posh sticker books. I haven't quite decided which stickers I'm going to use yet. Which one? I mean, come on, they're so pretty. There's some good stickers in here. I'm a little bit like, come on, those are so good. All right, so I'm having a tough time deciding. We'll see what I end up picking. As always, I will link all of the things that I use down in the description box below. I do have coupon codes both for Plannything and Live Love Posh and Wrong, so make sure to check out those links and coupon codes down below. All right, I'm going to put you all on fast forward. Let's go. The first spread I'm going to work on is for Rhonda, and she uses the grande size vertical layout. I'm primarily going to use the Bridgerton themed sticker book from the Happy Planner. This sticker book is only available on Amazon. It was an Amazon exclusive, and it is different from the sticker book that was in the Bridgerton Be Happy box because I ended up not getting that box. But the sticker book is very pretty, and if you are a fan of Bridgerton, then I can completely say that you will love the sticker book. So I'm planning out using sticker guides from the Happy Planner. These are like plastic sheets that you can put your stickers on, and then stickers are easily removed. You can move things around. I love using these, especially on custom planner spreads, because I don't know quite where everything is going to go, how it will fit. And so this allows me to make some decisions and move some things around. Once I get some of the main pieces in place, once I know for sure where I want some of the bigger pieces, it does help me to go ahead and start transferring those to the paper. I decided to go with a little bit of a scattered look. Here's my thought. I was like, we're doing a Bridgerton Tea Party kind of feel. I thought it would look pretty cool. Just, I imagine papers scattered across a desk, but like the most beautiful, elegant papers with like a cup of tea on the desk. Also, I was kind of thinking of Lady Whistledown doing her writing. So I did several of the boxes in more of a wonky, tilted fashion because that's how it would be if it were just like strewn about the desk. That's what we're going for in this spread, and I think it does come across. I love what this one looks like in the end for sure. I love the different layering elements that are available for this Bridgerton book. Like there's a lot of really, really gorgeous florals. Some of my favorite florals that I've seen the Happy Planner do, I see in this sticker book. They have some beautiful wax seals. They have these really cute little bees, of course, for Bridgerton, which I think are gorgeous. It's actually a very nice mix in this particular sticker book, the Bridgerton one, of functional and some decorative elements. The one thing that's missing though are smaller boxes. They only have the full-size vertical boxes. So that's definitely something that I'm going to end up pulling from the Wrong Party Time sticker book. The other thing that I definitely wanted to pull from the Wrong book would be the beautiful Wrong girls. I mean, she did such a great job capturing like the essence of a beautiful lady who lunches, like a beautiful tea party girl. And so I'm going to put a couple of them on the spread. We have this one right here in the bottom right, clutching her purse, and she's got her teacup. Like she's about to spill the tea. That's for darn sure. Like she is ready for a great gossip session. And then this one looking over into the corner, I think is beautiful. So we're going to have those two. And now I've just got to add some more function on the page. So there's some boxes. I chose the ones that had some realistic looking pieces. And then I loved these bullet points that look like pearls. That is such a beautiful touch for the Wrong sticker book. And then for the spread, pearls definitely finish it out. But here's the boxes I was talking about, a little bit smaller than your full vertical box. And they have almost a photograph background of pearls and beautiful pieces. So I'm going to mix those in. I'm going to put a couple of checklists in just because I didn't have enough bullet points, enough of the pearl bullet points that I needed for the page. So we're going to have to do some checklists, some bullet points. I ended up moving this particular set of bullet points over because the checklist fits lovely down here. I'm going to add one little phrase that says, sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. Absolutely perfect. And I just love how this one came together. We're going to leave it undated. That way, Rhonda can use it for whenever she wants. Maybe she's using this for the week of the Bridgerton premiere. Who knows? Look at me flipping through the book, seeing what else I can add. There's some little phrases. She just shines and let your soul shine. I wanted to bring in a little bit more metallic in a few places. Love how this spread came together. Let me know what you think down below. Did I use enough of the Wrong sticker book? Did I use too much of the Wrong sticker book? Let me know what you think below. And Rhonda, I very much hope that you enjoy your custom spread for this month. Next up is Janet's spread, and Janet uses the Grande dashboard layout that I have available over on my website, and she said I could choose whatever theme I wanted, and generally that means I'm going to choose a sticker book that I've been excited to use but haven't had the chance to yet, which meant these brand new Planny Thing sticker books. I received these in April. I love them. I have Summer Fun and then Summer Houses. They have this whole beautiful travel summer vibe, and I am here for it. And I have been loving, several of my patrons have been doing what they're calling vacations in their planner, meaning that they are kind of decorating their planner in some different themes of places they would want to go or places they imagine they're going, even if they're not actually going to those places. And I think that is such a fun idea. If maybe you're limited financially or for other various reasons, you are staying home this travel season, how fun to just kind of travel in your planner. So that's what we're doing for Janet on this particular week. We are taking her on a tropical vacation. In my head, it is like the Italian, oh, what is it called? Like an Italian beach. That's what I'm imagining right here. And I think that Janet would love, I mean, who wouldn't love a vacation to Italy, spending time on the Amalfi Coast? Yes, please. So that's what we're going with here. I'm mixing in functional boxes with these beautiful scenic stickers. They are so pretty. They are what are making that colorful impact on the page. And then I'm just trying to nestle in as much functionality around those areas as I possibly can. So we're mixing in functional boxes throughout. I will have bullet points, and I love that the Planny Thing sticker books have all of those elements in them. So you're not having to grab for 14,000 different things. They're all in these areas all together. So mixing the colors throughout the page. Again, I said this, I think, with another Planny Thing sticker book. There are lots of different box colors that are available. I tried to limit myself. This time I did 3. I have that kind of blue color, the maroon color, and the peach color. If you start bringing in a ton of different color boxes, it very quickly can be overwhelming because there's so much color in the other stickers that are on the page. So I like to limit to 2, maybe 3. I did 3 in this case just so I would make sure to have enough functional boxes. Just don't overdo it with all of the colorful boxes. Limit those a bit more, and I think you'll be much more pleased with your spread in the end. I do end up changing where some of these bullet points go because I was trying to group like colors together, and I thought that peach made sense, but then I realized I wanted some bullet points on Thursday, and I just end up moving them around. It happens, no worries. And I'm going to layer this box in here because I needed just a little bit more peach down in that bottom corner. Let's shift it over. Looking good. I definitely also need some words throughout. Some of the phrases I chose, oh, here's where I'm like, you know what? I got to switch those. Oh, the perils of moving stickers. So I'm going to move those. The words I chose: say yes to new adventure, make memories, and enjoy the sunset. I'm going to move those around the page. I tried to leave some spots open for Janet to add in some of her own functionality because I don't know exactly how she'll want to use it. So you might see some open spots. For instance, in the box over to the left, you'll see space at the top open. That way Janet can put intentions or a focus for the week. Over here where I put enjoy the sunset, there's kind of an open space above that. She could very easily add a box in that area to put meal planning or some other things that she needs for the week. I tried to make it so that she could use the spread in a really functional way, and I think I succeeded. I love, love, love how it came together. Let me know, what do you think of Janet's spread down below? Did I mix the functionality and the decorative elements appropriately, or is it just a little too much? Let me know. Next up is Barb's Venti vertical spread. This is the size of a big happy planner spread, and I ended up going with Luxe Spring in these beautiful watercolor looking florals, and I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I've been making spreads for Barb for a long time, and I always like trying something a little different because I feel like she's up for a different look on her spreads from time to time. So in this case, I am going to focus all of the decorative stickers on the outside of the vertical boxes. Here's what I'm doing. I'm taking the stickers and putting them down and then using my craft knife to then cut and slice and trim and remove the stickers from the inside of the spread and only leaving it to the outside. This accomplishes two things. First of all, it leaves a ton of space for writing, like a ton of space. If you're someone that needs lots of writing room, then this might be a great way to still embrace decorating, still use stickers, but preserve that writing space. It makes it look like scrapbook paper in the background. Once I'm done with this whole process, you're going to see it and just imagine that I had cut out the boxes, which I have done from time to time, and matted them onto scrapbook paper to use as the decorative element on the page. But that's not what it is. It is stickers, so you're still getting to play and use these beautiful stickers, which coordinate perfectly with the boxes that I'm going to choose because that's how Live, Love, Posh rolls. It's just a fun way to change it up. It's almost like flip-flopping or turning your decorative planning inside out. Now, frequently you're going to see me taking off the stickers and putting them on the inside of my arm before I put them on the page. Here's the reason why. Knowing I'm going to cut or trim the stickers with my craft knife, if you put a sticker down on the inside of your arm before you put it on the page, it's just slightly less sticky, meaning it's a little bit easier to peel up, which was necessary for me in this case, knowing I had full plans to peel pieces of this up. If you know you're going to do that, I think that that's a great way to work around it. Yes, these stickers will come up otherwise, but I won't lie. It was hard if I didn't put it on the back of my arm. I did have some issues with tearing the page ever so slightly. I fix it with boxes and things like that later on. But it's just a helpful hint. If you know either A, you might be moving stickers around. If you're like a habitual sticker mover and you're not using sticker guides, then putting it on your arm first will make it a little bit easier. Or if you know in advance you're going to be cutting big sections like what I'm doing right here, this keeps it from sticking onto the page, just makes it a little bit easier to move things around. So I'm working my way around the page. This took quite a while. It's like filling in, it's like playing Tetris almost. You're filling in all of the white space that you possibly can. You're working with different size stickers. You're trying to make sure you're not repeating certain florals in certain places. It takes a little while to accomplish something like this, but I think it's well worth it in the end. I think it's a neat effect. I hope that when Barb has this in her planner, it jumps out, like it looks different. That's always my hope for these custom planner spreads, to make them special enough for my patrons that when they flip to it that particular month in their planner, it just makes them feel really good. It stands out from the rest of their spreads. And I think this one will, because that is going to be a lot of spring florals in the background by the end. Okay, at this point, we are almost done. Just a few more over here, and then I'm actually going to work on the middle of the spread. I know, you have probably been like, come on, get there already. Just filling in the last few little bits of florals. Now we got to talk functionality. And What was I going to do? Well, the outside of the spread is so complicated that I wanted the inside to be very simple and straightforward. So we're going to do a checkerboard type pattern with functional boxes. So I have four colors that I'm going to use from the Live Love Posh sticker book. We're going to use the dark pink, the light blue, the light purple, and the dark purple. So that's five different colors. You can see I'm using my sticker guides because I end up moving all of these boxes around in a different way because for some reason the scatteredness didn't make sense to my head, to my eyes. It made more sense to have the dark boxes together, the pink boxes together, blue boxes together. I like how it came out like this in the end, switching the last two, and ta-da. Yes, that will work great. So we're going to go ahead and put the boxes down on the page. I will end up pulling in some bullet points. We'll do a few bulleted lists around the page as well. And then last but not least, because I always have to have words on a spread, I do pull from the other Live Love Posh sticker book that I had pulled out, which I think was called Spring Elements, which had some great spring phrases. I went with "Hello Spring," "A time for new beginnings," "blooms with spring's arrival," "A season of beauty and growth," "March winds," "April showers," "May flowers," "Floral bliss," and "Hope." So I'm going to scatter quotes throughout the page as well. And then that will be it for Barb's spread. Very impactful, kind of an inside out type spread, but I think it turned out beautiful in the end. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please take a moment to hit that thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. So many of you come back week after week and you have yet to hit that subscribe button. It really does help the channel out so much when you take the time to do that. And yes, you can still do that even if you're watching on your TV. So thank you in advance for doing that. Like I said earlier, I will link all of the supplies that I used down in the description box below. So be sure to check down there for updated discount codes and affiliate links. I do want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. It is a fabulous creative community. If you're looking for a group to cheer you on, to inspire you, a ton of extra content, tips, tricks, all the things, Patreon is the place to be. Find out more and start your free trial using the link down below. All right, I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.